Good morning, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. Let's take a look at the Futurecast radar from the SPC WRF model, and I want to show you how thunderstorms may evolve over the next 24 to 36 hours. Now, as we move through today, most of the activity will stay to our north, but what I want you to watch are the storms to our north as they weaken tonight, how they're going to leave some outflow boundaries. Let me show you one of those. This is a thunderstorm complex that the WRF model develops around 6 o'clock tonight. Watch how it then weakens, but it pushes out this boundary. This is called an outflow boundary. Here's another outflow boundary. These outflow boundaries can stabilize the atmosphere, and what we're going to have to watch for tomorrow is the placement of these outflow boundaries. Will the outflow boundaries push all the way through the area? Will they just push through the northern half of the area? Most of the models show the boundaries over northern half of southeast Missouri and the northern 3/4 of southern Illinois. North of that boundary, the atmosphere may be a bit more stable. We'll have to see. If that happens, then that means thunderstorm chances tomorrow afternoon will be more likely across the southern half of the region versus the north. And we see that here on the SPC model around 12 o'clock tomorrow. Thunderstorms forming from Cincinnati towards the Evansville area and then down into western Kentucky and the Missouri Boot Heel and southern Missouri. There's that cold front right through here. And then the atmosphere is a little more stable to the north because of those outflow boundaries. If that actually happens, then the best chance of thunderstorms Friday will be along and south of a line from, say, Poplar Bluff towards Carbondale, towards Evansville, and then northeast from there. From there southward, the chances will be higher. From there northward, the chances won't be quite as great. We move through the afternoon hours, and we can see the WRF model, how it forms those storms over the southern half of our region. And then as we move into the evening hours, a few storms form a little bit further north as well, but still south of that boundary. So we're going to be watching the outflow boundaries later today and tonight. We're going to watch them through the night into tomorrow morning to see how far south they push and whether or not they can stabilize the atmosphere. Any thunderstorms tomorrow could produce gusty winds of 40, 50 miles per hour, and then some dime-sized hail, frequent lightning, of course. And then as we've seen over the recent weeks, locally heavy rain, downpours of an inch in less than 30 minutes. That could flood a few commonly flooded roadways during heavy rain events. If you have problems with the roads during heavy rain events, this could be one of those events that causes that to happen, especially where maybe a couple of thunderstorms train over the same areas.